everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this whole look. So some of you must be thinking that I'm not wearing any sort of makeup on my face, but trust me, I'm wearing it. Yeah, because actually in daily makeup routine I don't use much of a products. I don't use any eyeshadows, any foundation or any other products for my daily routine makeup, and just for the sake of this video and just want to use those products just to look good, like to do things which I don't use to do in my daily makeup routine. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, then keep on watching and do subscribe to my channel. And without further wasting any time, just get into the video. First thing first, you have to tie your hair up so that your hair won't trouble you while doing your makeup. So yeah, after that you have to come up with a clean face. Wash your face clean. After washing your face, you just have to pat dry your face with the help of towel and give some time to your face so that it's gonna dry naturally. After that you have to apply moisturizer. So here I am applying Cetaphil moisturizer cream. So yeah, take a bit of moisturizer cream and apply it on your face. So yeah, and don't forget your neck, and gently spread it all your face. By the way guys, I'm looking in a bit downward direction because I'm having my mirror here, so I have to look into a mirror. So you know, उसके बिना मैं कैसे shoot करूँ? I have to look into mirror to see what I'm doing. So yeah, so apply your moisturizer in a generous amount, as I have a dry skin, so I have to put a bit more of it. Don't forget your eyes. Spread it evenly on your face and your neck too. After that you have to give a 60 second just to get it absorbed in your skin really well. So yeah, here I'm giving a minute to get it sink in my skin. So here I am giving some time for the moisturizer to get into my skin, absorbed really well. After that you have to apply very important thing, which is a sunscreen. So here I am applying Loreal Paris UV protection SPF 50 plus. This is a watery gel and it is UV protector. So yeah, apply it in a generous amount. So here I am applying on my forehead, my cheeks, my chin. Don't forget your neck also. And spread it gently on your face. So here I am doing it with very light hand. Just spread it evenly. It goes all over your face. Yeah, you have to give some time to get it sink in your skin really well. So yeah, we have to wait to get it sink very well in our skin. So after that, what I do, I use this Lakme 925cc complexion care cream all over my face. This is the best cream. Yeah. So let's start. apply this cream. You don't have to take it much, just a pea size of this cream is enough for your whole face. So I put it all over my face with the help of these dots. Yeah. And don't forget your neck, because if you don't apply on your neck, it's gonna look totally different from your face and it's gonna be so weird. So you have to apply on face as well as your neck. Yeah, after applying your CC cream with the help of this beauty blender, first of all you have to make it wet. Squeeze it really well 2 times so that excess of water won't be there. And yeah, with the help of this beauty blender you have to just blend in the whole cream. If you feel like you need more of a coverage, then you can go ahead with a bit amount of this CC cream all over your face. Here are the parts you wanna get more coverage, like under your eyes, your forehead, cheeks, neck, wherever you want. After that, yeah, blending is the key. So you have to blend it really well. And this cream is really so good that it's gonna give you a very nice coverage. And yeah, this cream is buildable. If you want to get more coverage, you can add a bit of it and again blend it well all over your face. It's gonna give you a nice coverage. After that, you have to set your whole face with the help of powder. So here I am using this banana powder and I'm using it this quite a long time, so everything is just faded away from this thing, you know. I'm using it for every single day. You just have to take a bit of this powder. Yeah, just again. You know what the best thing about this powder? It do have a bit of coverage in itself, so you just have to spread it all over your face very gently. Don't forget your under eyes as well as over your eyes, you know, because we are not using any concealer or foundation. We just have to cover the whole face with the help of this CC cream and set it all with the help of this powder. So you have to cover your whole face and set it really well. We are done with your base. So after that we had to go towards our brows, and here you can clearly see that I'm not blessed with the thick fuller brows, so I have to use this brow pencil. It's from Miss Claire and it's really a very nice product. I'm using it since a long time. It really helps me to achieve fuller and thicker natural looking eyebrows. Everyone can use this to get a natural thick fuller looking brows. Girls who have very good brows can also use this pencil just to enhance their brows and give it a nice shape. So yeah, just apply wherever you want. You need to fill. What I like, I just apply a bit of this pencil all over my brow. See, this is the way I apply, and then just with the help of this brush, I just brush it out. Can you guys see that instantly how beautiful my brows are looking right now? This is the must product you have to have with you, and you have to do it very gently. Just brush it in upward direction and get this natural looking brows. You have to fill in a more quantity in the front section of your brows, because if you do that, then your eyebrows are not gonna look natural. So just you have to brush the whole thing to get it done very nicely, to achieve that natural brow. So yeah, see guys, my brows are like instantly changed the whole game of my face. So I just love to do my brows with the help of this Clear eyebrow pencil. So everything is done. Now I just want to like apply a bit of transparent mascara on my eyelashes, because it's gonna help my eyes to look more open of a kind. So yeah, some Wet n Wild Mega Clear Brow and Lashes mascara. So here I am using has done a bit in a black color. I'm sorry guys, but many times I was like using it after, like, you know, I was like using normal mascara in a black color, and I thought to apply a bit of this transparent mascara to separate the lashes, and I didn't realize that after doing that the brush was having some particles of that black mascara, and when I put the one in this thing it turns black. But this is the thing which is very helpful. So yeah, no matter it's looking a bit blackish, but it's a transparent mascara. So let's apply it. So can you guys see my eyes is instantly a bit more opened up? See, now this is the eye where I have applied this mascara. Let me cover the lower lashes too. Yeah, so this is I have applied transparent mascara, and it's clearly looking a bit more open up. So yeah, and this is the normal eye, like I haven't applied anything on this like eye. So let's apply it on the other eye as well. Yeah, after applying your mascara on your lashes, it's time to get towards our lips. I forgot to apply this moisturizer on my lips, and it's time to get towards our lips. So here I'm applying this lip tint on my lips. I don't know what's the name, because I'm using it again since a very long time, and everything is just faded, whatever was written on this tint. So let's apply it on our lips. So guys, I don't like that So yeah, I don't want my lips to be like tinted with the whole color very like bright, you know. I just want a bit of tint, natural tint on my lips so that it gonna look natural. So I just applied a bit of it on my lips. You can apply it with the help of your finger also, just with the clean hands, of course. With the clean fingers you just apply the tint on your finger and just dab it, and apply, reapply whatever the amount of tint you want to get on your lips. So, and it's nice, and I don't need to apply it more on my lips. It's looking natural and nice tinted pink lips. So these are the things I do on a daily basis to achieve this look, and try it for yourself and do comment me whether you try it. And I hope you're gonna try it, and let me know in the comment, that let me know how it turns out for you in comment section. So thanks for watching my video, and yeah, if you like the video then please give it a big thumbs up and hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a video of mine. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and yeah, we'll see again in the next video, which gonna be very soon. And until then, sending lots of love, positivity and good vibes to your way. Bye.